Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share my first five-figure income that I have earned during my college. So it was also my first freelancing experience. So because every individual will look for some passive income ways during their college so that they can cover their expenses without depending on their parents. That is actually a good thing because you will sense some earning potential from you. Also, you will get more confidence if you started earning from your college itself. So in this video, I just want to give you more confidence by sharing my freelancing journey. So my first five-figure income that I have earned, I have earned some four-figure incomes since my school by participating in various competitions, cash prizes and all. But I mean, no one will pay you a five-figure income for that. So my first five-figure income occurs during my first year of engineering. So as a content writer, so I applied for a content writing freelancing role, so where I need to complete some assignments every day. So I need to write on a particular topic for a brand. So actually they were looking for content writers to write content for their blog. So I applied for them and I started paying very less at the initial days. I was paid like 50 per blog. That is very cheap nowadays, but in the initial days, if you want to if you want to showcase your portfolio and if you want to make your portfolio, then I can say going with low pay will also be advisable because no one will hire you without any prior experience. So I started working on 50, later I moved my price to 100 and later 150, and even I worked for 300 per blog in my college days. So it was my first year of engineering that I made first five-figure income through content writing. So I was not an experienced writer at that time, so that's the reason why I was paid less. But as long as I started writing, like I improved it a lot. So I improved my writing skills, I improved my communication skills. So I felt a change once after I took my freelancing. So I will also share you how do I get my freelancing project at that time, and also later and after that I have picked many freelancing projects, and even at this moment I'm doing some freelancing projects, so without disturbing my primary source of incomes. Method that I followed was simple. So first thing is cold emailing. So I also made a video on my channel about how to do cold emailing for freelancing or jobs. So whenever I found some opportunities in the internet, so I'm an active user on LinkedIn. So if I found any opportunities at that time during my college days, I use it to apply for them, or I use it to write an email for them that yeah, I can provide this service for you, so and so. Not every brand or every individual will get back to you, but at least 1 in 3 will get back to you, and they will schedule an interview. And if your skills really matches their requirements, then ultimately they will give you that project. So later on, like I also did some graphic designing and logo designing projects, and I made it successfully for most of the things. Then like now I have a portfolio to showcase to clients that if I want to work. So it is how you get your first freelancing project. So no one will offer you directly. You need to run after brands, you need to run after companies to get those things. And nowadays there is other advantage for you. There are content creators everywhere, they need these writing services, they need these designing services. You can simply write to them that I can work for you. So if you are a video editor, you can simply write for them like I can edit your videos for you. So I can edit in a very attractive way, or I can design YouTube thumbnails for you, or I can manage your website, or I can manage your blog by writing a blog every day. You can write to them simply. You can find email address easily in their profile or everywhere in the maybe in their LinkedIn, whatever it might be. You can just write them like I want to work with you, I can provide this skill, this is my experience, or this is my portfolio. Then ultimately at least one or two will get back to you. But the other thing is people just register their profile in freelancing platforms and wait for clients to offer them services. It is not possible. You need to run after them. So simply without doing anything, you will not get your first project. You need to wait for a lifetime, but still you will not get any project if you fail to run after them. At least for 5 to 10 projects initially, you need to run after the companies, you need to write cold emails, you need to apply everywhere. It is the only way that you can get your first freelancing project. And I also shared my experience. I write to them through the email. So that I received my first project, even though with a less pay, but still like I gained some experience. Later that I charged high. So it is how one should start their freelancing journey. I hope it would be helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.